technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened gap down today. However, within the first 20-25 minutes of the trading session, the Nifty saw a sharp pullback, and thereafter during the day it continued to inch up during the day higher, and it ultimately ended the day with a 139 point gain in today's trading session. The market breadth was positive with 1245 advances to 313 declines. The small cap index was up by 2.4% and the mid cap index was up by 1.9% in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Limited, ICICI Bank, Tata Motors, L&T, Reliance, TCS were some of the big gainers in trade today, while Infosys, HUL and Sesagova closed with losses in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed above the 20-day simple moving average. The daily momentum indicator has reached the equilibrium line, and because of today's big bullish candle, it has given an upward curve or an upward slope. Considering the fact that Nifty has overlapped the level of 8057, which was the low of wave 1, which indicates that this fall which we have seen from the highs of 8180 up till the low of 7925 has become a three-wave fall, and as a result of which it now becomes a corrective pattern, and now we are expecting the Nifty to inch upwards and make a newer high above 8180 in the coming trading sessions. We have changed our short-term trend from down to up with a target of 83.20 on the upside. 83.20 is the upper end of this channel. When we draw a support line connecting the low of wave 2 and wave 4, we get a line, and we have taken its parallel line to the high of wave 3, which gives us a target of 83.20 on the upside. The stop loss is placed at the high of penultimate trading session of 7925. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that yesterday's sideways consolidation, as we were expecting to break on the downside, however it broke on the upside, and the Nifty, you can see this hourly candle was the first hour of the trading session. It saw a sharp pullback. It closed above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and as the day progressed, it kept on inching higher and higher, and closed near the previous swing high. We change our short-term stance on Nifty to positive, and we expect target of 83.20 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly has given a very bullish close today. It has closed above the 20-day simple moving average. Since past couple of trading sessions, it was trading around that 20-day simple moving average. It was not clearly breaking down. However, we expected it to break down, and today's trading session has given a sharp pullback. We feel that the sideways consolidation can continue because the daily momentum indicator is still having a negative crossover. However, if the swing high of 16,310 is broken on the upside, then we can see more positive momentum on the upside. Overall, the trend for Bank Nifty shall also remain positive, and it will trade in sync with the Nifty now. We change our short-term trend on Bank Nifty also to positive, and we expect the Bank Nifty to trade higher. Crucial resistances are placed at 16,310 and 16,416. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 15,974 and 15,770. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty has changed from down to up for a target of 83.20 on the downside. So reversal level is placed at 7925. That's all for the day. Thank you.